Hey, welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got some more watch faces for you to check out, mainly for the ladies and some of the guys. Some of the guys seem to like the Valentine Day watch faces. Well, we got the last two up, so stay tuned and check them out. Hey, welcome back to another video, and today we got the last of the Valentine Day watch faces. There are two left. Okay, so with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, because guys seem to like these watch faces as well. Now, this is by ACD Watch Faces, and the guy does a really good job on watch faces. This one here is no exception. I like this one. The name of this watch face is called Valentine 05. It has like a wood grain look to it, cherry wood at that, right? So what you get is, in always on mode, it's going to pretty much look like this, but it's going to be blackened out a little bit. And once it's turned on, you're going to get a heart. You're going to get the digital time with a PM stamp in the middle, a couple of more hearts on the side. This looks really good. And you're going to get your day at the top. Today is Wednesday. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your month and your date. Info for your battery to your left, and info for your steps to the right. And you can customize the look of this watch face. That's tap down at the bottom, double tap, and cycle through all the different wood grain faces that this watch face has to offer. I thought this was pretty cool. Ladies, what do you think? You digging something like this? They go purple. Yeah, you can color coordinate or just pick the color or the design that you like. I thought this was pretty slick. All right, you all, check this one out in the Gear Manager store. Number 2, this one is ACD Valentine 06. This is number 6, you all. It's got a silver look to it. It's definitely looking good. And then the always on mode, it's just going to be blackened out. You're still going to get this great look that you see right now. And at the top is Wednesday. You got your time and your date in the middle along with the animated seconds. You also got your battery info there and your steps here. January 24th at the bottom. Got a couple of screws going around the watch. It looks good. I like it. I think this is a good look. And if I double tap down at the bottom, I can customize the color and cycle through till I get to the color that I like. I thought this was pretty cool. Ladies, what do you think? All right, trying to bring the watch faces to you. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.